Hey, welcome back. So this week we're going to do Lab 3. Creating solid models is going to be the chapter. Let me just take a glance at it here. As I mentioned in the previous video, we're going to mostly just be working along with not a lot of instructional content. I'm going to eventually add in some solutions videos, but that may not really pertain to anything besides the later chapter 7 stuff. Let's see, but basically Chapter 3 is going to mostly be about making primitive shapes, similar to the pre-made shapes, basically. They call them primitives, but they're, if I were to click it and then like click here and like there, basically I'm on, my view is on wireframe, but if I change it back to shaded with edges here on the view tab on the home panel, you can see it basically made that with minimal effort, which can come in handy, but they're not like super user friendly sometimes. But basically, like, you can quickly add a shape like that. What's cool is the capability of it. So like I could take this and this and subtract them. I don't know if it actually did it. There we go. So now if I delete this, it didn't even do it. Sad. Didn't even work. May have to combine them first. Let's see. Where's combine? Union. Yeah. Now, if you look, you can see that they actually are touching there. Now let's see if I can do a subtract. I doubt it though. I mean, they're the same body. Yeah. But basically, like, you can usually subtract it. It's probably because they're both primitives, but you could say, like, in a shape like this over here, you could use a cylinder that you stuck through it, and you could subtract it from this shape pretty quickly. In this case, they clearly added, and the middle was deleted out, but couldn't get it to subtract for whatever reason. That's kind of how it is sometimes, though. The primitives aren't perfect, but these commands do help a lot, the booleans. Other than that, I mean, it looks like that's mostly all you're going to really cover. I'm kind of looking here. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much just going to be mostly a focus on the solid tab in general, the primitives. And what's funny is, if you recall, I referenced Autodesk Maya. It's the same kind of deal. These are just pre-made shapes that you're using to save a little time where you can. And there are applications. Technically, you could build a shape like this just out of primitives. You could make a big old rectangle. You can make a cylinder, a small cylinder, another small cylinder, and do a bunch of add and subtracts, and before you know it, have a shape like this. So there is an application, and the book will definitely dive into it. But make sure you're doing your lecture and discussion board, your assignment, and if anybody has anything that they're having problems with, just reach out and we'll take care of it.